Is this Emmett?
It's Emma.
It's a girl?
Oh, she's precious. Do you ever worry that she's gonna get your real nose?
Yes, I do. I really do.
Yeah, hang on one sec. Can I take this upstairs?
Sure, we don't live there, but
Seriously? It's just these rooms? I thought you were a doctor.
Yeah, no, Ross has a PhD.
Ew. You're on Days of Our Lives.
yeah.
Wow. They must put a lot of makeup on you. It's nice to meet you, Emma.
Phoebe.
Oh, that's a funny noise. Now, listen, not that you guys could stop me or anything, because, you know, you'd be dead. But I was thinking about changing her name. I'm just not really a big fan of Emily.
Emma.
Emma, Ross wants you.
Phoebe!
Why does she keep making that noise?